Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all controls and gestures on your party box JBL Encore Essential. So let's get started. Right here we have this wheel, and if you move it to the right you will increase the volume, and as you can see right here I am just increasing the volume. If you move it to the left you will lower the volume. Here we go. Now let's go here. You can play and pause the song by pressing play and pause button. So I'm just press one time and I play a song, and I pause, press it again and I pause the song. If you press two times you will play next track. Here we go. And if you will press it three times you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. And it's working. Now what we have also here. We have a light button, and you can change these modes of this light. So just press it and you will change it or turn off it. Also we have buzz boost. I open the application for you and I will show you. So right now we have it disabled, and if you press it you will enable buzz boost, and if you press again you will swap between deep and punchy mode. And you can if you press a short time, you will disable buzz boost. Also, we have power button here, so just press one time to enable, to turn on and turn off your party box. And the last one is pairing button. Just press it to enter pairing mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.